Welcome to Domaine Desarmms, a 5-star holiday resort tucked away in the heart of Brittany, France. Spanning over 200 hectares of forest, lakes and rolling landscapes, this estate is a perfect blend of nature, history and adventure. From peaceful retreats to exciting family activities, Domaine Desarmms has something for everyone. At the centre of the estate stands the Château Desarmms, a historic mansion that has been meticulously preserved. Its excellent architecture and landscape gardens provide a striking backdrop, embodying centuries of Brittany's heritage. Visitors can stroll around the chateau grounds, taking in the charm of a bygone era, or simply enjoy the serenity of this remarkable setting. Accommodation options at Domaine Desarmms are as diverse as the landscape itself. Families and couples can choose from comfortable mobile homes, cosy wooden cottages, or elevated treehouses that immerse you in the surrounding forest. For those who enjoy a more rustic experience, lodge tents and traditional camping pitches are also available, offering the perfect way to connect with nature while staying close to modern comforts. Water lovers will be delighted by the resort's aquatic facilities. The tropical dome features an expansive indoor pool complex, complete with thrilling water slides, a lazy river, and even a rope swing for adventurous souls. Outside, multiple swimming pools and a sun terrace offer space to relax and soak up the Brittany sun. No matter the weather, there's always the opportunity for fun in the water. For golf enthusiasts, Domaine Desarmms offers an 18-hole golf course set within lush, manicured grounds. Whether you're a seasoned player or just looking to start out, the course provides a challenging and scenic experience. The estate also boasts tennis courts, a football pitch, and facilities for volleyball, ensuring plenty of options for active visitors. Families are well catered for, with children's clubs, playgrounds, and adventure trails spread throughout the park. Young explorers can enjoy nature walks, scavenger hunts, and workshops designed to spark curiosity and imagination, while the parents can relax knowing their children are safe and entertained. Dining at Domaine Desarmms is a treat for every palate. From casual cafes and pizzerias to gourmet restaurants, the resort offers a wide variety of culinary experiences. Enjoy a leisurely breakfast overlooking the lake, a hearty lunch after a day of adventure, or a sunset dinner on the terrace, savouring local Breton flavours and freshly prepared dishes. The resort's location also makes it an excellent base for exploring the wider region. Brittany is rich in history and culture, with medieval towns, coastal cliffs and sandy beaches just a short drive away. The nearby Mont Saint-Michel and the charming port of Saint-Malo are perfect for day trips, offering unforgettable views and fascinating history. Adventure is never far at Domaine Desarmms. Horse riding trails wind through the forest, offering guided excursions for all skill levels. Adventure parks, zip lines, and mountain biking tracks provide endless entertainment, while peaceful walking and cycling routes invite guests to discover the beauty of the natural surroundings at their own pace. As the day draws to a close, Domaine Desarmms transforms into a serene retreat. Whether you're enjoying a quiet evening in your accommodation, sharing a meal with loved ones, or taking a leisurely stroll through the park, the peaceful atmosphere and stunning scenery create memories that last a lifetime. Domaine Desarmms is more than a resort. It's a destination where history, nature and leisure come together. From thrilling adventures to tranquil moments, every visit offers a chance to explore, relax and create unforgettable memories in the heart of Brittany.